Welcome to Word Explorer. Today's story is about Leo, a boy with nothing but a dream, who rose from the streets to success. And as always, you'll learn English vocabulary through every step. In a bustling city filled with noise and movement, a young boy named Leo spent his days working at a small lemonade stand on a busy street corner. He didn't go to school like other children. His family was struggling, and every coin he earned helped put food on the table. Despite the hardship, Leo remained hopeful. While serving drinks, he watched business professionals walk past in suits, speaking about meetings, markets, and leadership. One word stayed with him: CEO. Leo began dreaming of a life beyond the street. Every evening after work, he visited the local library. He read books about business, taught himself English, and kept a notebook filled with inspiring words like ambition, perseverance, and breakthrough. At 17, Leo launched his first online store selling handmade goods. It failed. So did the second. And the third. People laughed, but Leo kept learning. He saw every failure as a lesson. At 25, after years of hustle, he started a new venture, a platform that connected street vendors to online customers. It was a slow start, but Leo listened to feedback, worked tirelessly, and soon caught the attention of investors. His business began to grow, and by the age of 32, Leo had become the CEO of a successful company that empowered small vendors across the country. One day, he passed a boy on a street corner selling water. Leo stopped, smiled, bought a bottle, and said, "Never stop dreaming. I started right where you are." Leo's journey from street vendor to CEO proved that no matter how humble your beginnings, belief, determination, and relentless effort can lead to extraordinary success. Important words. Bustling. Full of activity, noise, and energy. The market was bustling with people buying fresh produce. Hardship. Severe suffering or deprivation. Despite the hardship, she never gave up on her dreams. Hopeful. Feeling or inspiring optimism about a future event. He remained hopeful even when times were tough. Ambition. A strong desire to achieve something. Her ambition to become a doctor kept her motivated. Perseverance. Continued effort despite difficulties. Perseverance is the key to overcoming any obstacle. Breakthrough. A sudden, important development or achievement. The scientist finally made a breakthrough in her research. Hustle. Energetic action or effort, often to achieve a goal. His daily hustle helped him build his business. Venture. A risky or daring journey or business. Starting a new venture requires courage and planning. Feedback. Information or advice about how something is doing. He improved his product based on customer feedback. Investor. A person who puts money into a business to earn a profit. The startup attracted an investor who believed in their idea. Empower. To give someone power and confidence. The program empowers women to start their own businesses. Relentless. Continuing without becoming weaker or giving up. She pursued her goal with relentless determination. You did an excellent job today. Keep practicing, as every lesson helps you enhance your English skills. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and follow for more.